Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you back here to our channel. We're tuning in here this morning. It's approaching 9 a.m. Eastern time, ladies and gentlemen, here in US. We are going to start our program. Trader, we are going to start our program here. We have chance or opportunity to be here in order to spend time together, trading the market, learning how to trade, because that is our purpose, our goal. So we are going to learn how to trade the market. So that is the opportunity we have this morning here. Before I tune in, we move forward. I want to welcome those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur notre chaîne Trader Africa. Je suis Samien Gon et ce matin, nous sommes ici à 9h qui approche de quelques minutes. Chers traders, nous allons commencer notre matinée. Nous allons trade et apprendre à trade comme d'habitude. C'est une opportunité qui m'est offerte ce matin d'être ici, présent. Hier, nous avons passé la session de la soirée. Alors ce matin, nous serons ici. Trader, we are moving to see what we're going to have today. So we have US30 here. This is what I use to trade, US30. So I need to indices here. So we need to see we are going up. We move here this morning from here to here. So we need to see what we're going to have. We don't know. We are when we look at our the other day we traded, we came down the other day and we move up. We're going like this. So we're doing high and a low and low high, low and low high. As you can see, this is another low high. We're already here. So need to look at our trader. We don't know if we're going to continue up or we'll just break down and keep going down and down and down. It's possible to do that. But when we look at here on our trade, we went up and we came back down. Now we're trying now to move up again. So what we don't know is that we don't know if we're going to go all the way to this top on the 1 hour, 4 hours. This is a 4 hours chart. We don't know if we're going to go all the way to the top to have a double top at this point to hit this resistance. It's possible. It's possible to go all the way up here and hit this resistance and come back down. It's a possibility. So I could have take this trade here. You know, I will see if in case maybe we break out at this level, we'll be fine. Also here or for the short here, we'll see. We can also enter this trade for the small share here for the long and place our target at this level as well. Here I just took a very tiny unit just to see 1-to-1. So because I don't trust this entry point, I just went with a 0.0 1 trader. Took a tiny stop just to test the water. Placing my stop below here. On $2 something. I save it. So I take my target. My target also here. So almost 1-to-1 trader, 1-to-1 risk reward. You just to test the water. Let's see. If we break here below, we'll go short right away, trader. We break down here, we'll go short. We're approaching. Great. That is the first small loss. So let's see now. We keep going down. I'm gonna go short here. It's 9 a.m. Watching. I'm gonna go short here, trader. I'm in. I'm gonna place my stop above here. Place my stop here above. Give him $30. Let's see. I'm gonna have here. I'm in for the short. US30. Took a short position. Let's see. Let's see, trader. A short position here. We see low, low, and low high on the 4 hours. Want to see our chart, our candle stick turning red. Okay, moving down slowly. US30. And our target, ladies and gentlemen, gotta place our target at this point. Our TP here. Our first target there. It's almost a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's see. Watching. Watching downtrend. Nice. Nice move down. Nice. So keep holding here, trader. Keep holding. See a rejection. See a rejection. Pulling back down. Rejection. Hopefully, gotta be a retest. Pull in here, trader. Continue arrêter notre trade, notre trade. US30, c'est ce que nous tradons ce matin. Market gonna open at 9:30 Eastern. New York Stock Exchange. So you see holding here. We see a rejection. We saw a rejection at this level. Horizontal line, we might see a continuation up. It's possible. Trader, let's see. We don't know if we're going to break this resistance as well. Let's see. Trader will keep holding here. If we break this support also, will be good. We're expecting it to break here. Let's see the direction our trade is going to take. Gotta wait patiently. Also, when we look at gold here, gold also is trying to come back down, downtrend. So, but we're not trading gold today. US 30, US 500 as well, having the same pattern. So watching trader, want to see our trade breaking to the support. Coming down. Watching trader. Keep holding here. Want to see our trade breaking this support here, trader. Having hard time to do that. Gotta exercise patience. Approaching 9:30. Always placing stop at the market. The stop is the quantity you're intended to lose, your risk. You got to make sure that your risk already there, where you're going to get out if the trade doesn't work. Don't get frustrated. Trading is probability. Don't get frustrated when you stop out. You got to accept your risk. It means what? When you place a risk in the market and now your risk is triggered, your stop is triggered, you got to accept it. Shouldn't be upset why Am I getting stopped out? It's because that is a risk you place, and you have to accept it. Sometimes people don't accept the risk when the trade approaching the stop. They move it up or down, but you can move your stop down. It means what? Reducing your risk. You can't move it up. It's acceptable to move your stop down. For example, you're already in profit. There are some platform allowing you to move your stop down. You cross your entry line with your stop, but there are some platform doesn't allow you to do that. You will never cross your entry point with your stop. For example, this is where I'll enter. This red line is where my entry point was, and my stop is here. If I click my stop, you're going to see, okay, this is my stop. So there are some platform allowing you to move this stop from here. Let's say you're already in profit. Let's say this trade already come down here, and now you say, you know what, I want to have a trailing stop. It means what? I want to move this stop from here and crossing this entry point and come here down because I'm already in profit. For example, I have $6 here as a profit. Moving my stop, putting it here, after my entry point. But there are some platform doesn't allow you to do that. You would bring your stop just be close to or break even, or putting on top of your entry point, not crossing it. So it's acceptable to take your stop, pushing it down here, but it's not acceptable to move your stop up here. Moving your stop up means what? It means that you're adding more risk. But plenty of people do that, especially when they see that the trade approaching the stops, they keep moving the stop back up, and having more risk. But it's better to diminish or to take down, to reduce your risk instead to add on your risk. That is the point I want to make here. Okay. So our trader coming on the support, we're hopefully going to break this support. If we break the support, we'll be fine, trader. So you have to accept your risk. Don't move your risk. Don't move your stop up, because moving your stop up means what? You're adding your risk, and it's not good to add risk on the market. It's good to reduce your risk instead to add on the risk. So if you have that habit to move your stop, it means that you don't accept your risk. Don't accept it, and when you don't accept your risk, your capital is vulnerable. You are in risk. You can blow out your account easily. That is one thing. Second things people used to do when they're trading, that when the market start coming against them, for example, the trade come here, you come here, they're still they are now on a losing trade, and now they keep buying more, saying that, okay, since the trade came now against me already here and my stop, let me move my stop up and buy more, so that if he come back down, I will make money. Yes, sometimes it happens. Sometimes you're going to buy more. You buy more here, and now the trade come back down, you make money. You will do it once, you do it twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then the other day you're going to do it, the trade will never come back down. You keep putting more. You put more, it come here. You put more, it break here. You put more. Since you're already down a lot, you will keep putting more, and that is how your capital is going to finish. You blow out your account. So many people blow their account that way. That is why it's not recommended to buy more when you are in losing trade. Don't add on the losing trade. You need to add on the winning trade. For example, if let's say it break here, start coming down, my trade start coming down here, I can buy more, adding on my position. Why? Because I'm now on the profit. I'm already on the profit. I can now buy more, adding on my position. If it start going back, to me, it will take just that money I already made. It won't damage my account. That is how you have to see the market, approaching the market. Those are the small rules which can help you, to preserve your capital, to be a professional trader. When people see you trading that way, they gotta understand that you are professional. Those are the common mistakes people make in the market. So we shouldn't make those mistakes. Gotta be careful. So and that's gonna take time for you guys to get there. To that point. So our trade now start pulling back up. The trade start pulling back up. Need to be careful. Want to see the breakdown? Continuation. We're watching. Want to see a continuation down? Trader will broke. Nice. For example, as you see now, you see that our trade are coming down, which is great. The trade are coming down, which is great. So somebody can move. You can now move your stop from the top to down. You see, I'm moving now my stop here. I place it break even. I can even cross here, which is great. I can do that. Now I'm placing my stop break even here. It means what? I'm tended to, since I'm on profit now, I prefer to give. That is the only thing I can give because I'm already on the profit. You see, I can now give just this part of money which I already make. I can do that. It's not bad, trader. It's not bad. Somebody can take his stop and just place it here for break even. See, so it wouldn't be bad to do that. So now I put back my stop where I was. It's already 9:30 here, Eastern time, trader. So we see a reversal right away. Big reversal here, trader. It looks like we're going now to our stops, trader. A pullback. So I'm going to get out soon on my trade. Let's see. I'm close to my stop. If he hit my stop, I will get out of the trade here. It's 9:30, the market open. If I get out of my trade now, I will start looking at this market for the long. Trader. Watching. My stop is there. Watching. Let's see if we're gonna get out of the trade. Approaching my stop. Trader, okay, I'm out of the trade with a loss. Now let's see if I break here. I'm going to take a long position. Trader, I'm gonna go long here, trader, soon. The market open at 9:30 Eastern time. I want to see a break. Want to see break here. If I see a break, I'll go long. Trader couldn't predict this kind of move. We're watching. We are on the resistance there. Want to see if we break it. We're breaking our resistance here, trader. Keep watching. I'm ready to trigger. All right, we're now in. We broke here. We see a small retest. Trader, gotta go long soon. If I see if he holding, look like it's coming back down. A retest. I'm waiting. Holding here, ready to trigger. I'm in, trader. I went long. Going long, trader. In. Gotta place my stop. See, pulling back down. Trader, my stop gotta be somewhere here, lower. The only place I can place a stop. I see a rejection. That is why sometimes it's better to wait a little bit to pull away from the entry point, but it's okay. We have a long stop. That stop is huge, but we need to take it. Still holding there, that level. Not good. I thought we're supposed to break right away, but we're not breaking. Let's see. See, holding. I thought US30 was going right away up, but it looked like it's struggling here to continue up. We don't know if we're going to pull back down. There is a possibility. See, holding. I'm already on the trade. Want to see break. Want to see a break and continuation up. Watching. Want to see continuation upside. Nice break. See a rejection again. You never know what the trade gonna do. See, we're having hard time to break there. Want to see a continuation push up. See a rejection again. Moving up slowly. We're moving up slowly, trader. Which is great. Want to see we are now close to our 4-hour target. Want to see a break. Won't be easier. Want to see a break on the 4 hours. Continue moving up. Nice. Nice move. Pushing up. Let's keep pushing up, trader. Keep holding. Keep holding here. Holding along. Nice move. Gonna keep going up. Great. Great move here. Great move. Want to see if we're going to break for the continuation up. I want to see if we're going to break on the resistance now, trader. Let's see if we're going to break. If we don't, I'm going to get out here. I may re-enter the trade later. I took that profit there, trader. Gotta wait and see if we're gonna go through. If we go through, I may re-enter the trade again. No problem. That is the first resistance. It was a nice trade, nice move. I took my profit there. That is 4 hours resistance, as you can see here. So let's see if you pass through. I'll jump on it again. A beautiful trade. Let's see. Going back green and more. Let's see. We pass through. Let's see. Want to see our trade breaking 4 hours resistance. Ça a été un bon trade, trader. J'ai perdu 2 fois, un tout petit, mais ça j'ai gagné, ça a doublé mon profit. On voit qu'on casse cette résistance. Si on casse ici, ce serait bien. On a break. On see. watching to see whether we're going to have a break or pullback. Let's see if we're going to have a break. Let's see. Look like we're having hard time there to break. We may see a pullback. It's possible. Want to see a consolidation first. Trader, it look like we're breaking slowly. If we break, I gotta reduce my size here. I reduce my size. If we break, I'm gonna go long, but this time my size gotta be reduced. I wanna see if you're gonna hold. Gotta be careful. Gotta keep holding. We see it pulling back down. Fear rejection. Approaching 10. 5 minutes to 10. Trader. Moving up. Look like I want to break. Trader. Let's see. We're gonna have a break there. Or just a consolidation. We're trading US30 here, trader. We have the first good trade. Want to see if we have a break continuation up. Going to jump on it again for the long. But normally we're supposed to see some kind of retracement here with a red candle, and now come back here and now take it up to break. That is what I could expect. So I have to put a technical analysis here on this. Going to break now, and I will expect the pullback down. If it break, I won't chase it because I may have a retracement or rejection. You have a lot of resistance at this level. probability that we can have a pullback here is quite possible. I won't take any trade here for long at this time because we have another resistance there. And we have a third one there. So we have so many resistance here, ladies and gentlemen. Here's another one. We keep having resistance. So another one here. This tree goes up, I will rather looking for short. Because we have so many resistance at that level. If you're new to our channel, you might consider subscribing. Trader. We're moving slowly up, but I won't take any long trade here at this moment. Prefer to wait for the reversal. We extended without a red candle. Let's see. Pulling back down. For watching. No trade yet here on US30. coming back down. We see a new red candle, a second red candle to make the new low. Probably we may go short with a small tiny quantity. Trader, I'm reducing my size. Want to see second red candle making a new low. We're on the resistance there. Now we'll go short with a small quantity. I'll test the water and place my stop above. If I see a red candle to make a new low, I'll go short and place my stop here above. Trader, that is what I'm trying to do here. Want to see a continuation down. If I see a continuation down, I will go short. Place my stop above. Watching. You see a break slowly. We see a break, continuation up. And I'm not going long here. Gotta keep holding because I have so many resistance there. I don't want to go long. I'm feeling comfortable going short than going long. Be holding my trade, still sitting on the sideline. Sitting my hand here, waiting. Not feeling comfortable going long. Trader, we are in period of consolidation here. Want to see our trade moving to allow us to trade. We're Japanese going down. Watching. Moving up. See holding, moving up. Wait, I'm still here waiting. I said I'm not feeling comfortable to go long now. Gotta wait. Moving up slowly. We hit one resistance there. Wanna see? We're gonna come down. Let's see. Want to see a sign of reversal? Want to see some kind of dirty? Some kind of reversal? Coming down. Want to see the break at this level here? It's still good for also the continuation up. Our trade tries to come down now. Moving up. Want to go to the new high now. Trader, so we're already here almost 1 hour, almost more than 1 hour, one hour and a half almost. So we have just the first movement here in the market, but market consolidation now. Okay. think I'm going to pause here for today, trader. I have a lot to do. You know, we entered the trade here. First of all, I took a short, expecting I was trying to thinking that this trade could have go down, ladies and gentlemen. I took a short. You can see here how the trade start coming down here for the short. You know, before I took a long here a little bit, but the trade didn't go long. You know, and now I took a short. The short came here. I was stopped out. You know, on my stop was here. Now, when the market opened at 9:30, now I flipped now for the long side, and you saw the result. So we made money here, and it was good. You know, we doubled our profit compared to what we lost. So it's good because we cut our losses short. We don't keep, you know, our losses bigger. That is why the one trade we placed cover all our losses, which is great. So we double. So today we're going to pause like this. I'm going to pause it here for myself because I have a lot to do. And now probably will come a different day, maybe tomorrow, who knows. So it was a pleasure for me to trade this morning. Chers traders, ça a été un plaisir pour moi. J'étais en train d'expliquer que j'ai pris 3 trades. Le premier, les 2 autres trades, c'était très peu que j'ai perdu, très petit. Mais le troisième trade que j'ai pris a fait en sorte que je couvre et fasse le double, plus du double de ce que j'ai perdu. Donc ça a été très bien. Alors je vais devoir m'arrêter à ce niveau et peut-être probablement nous reviendrons demain. Parce que j'ai attendu prendre la descente ici, telle qu'ils sont en train de voir. Je vois que les choses sont un peu difficiles. Donc nous allons nous revoir demain, chers traders. Merci beaucoup, ça a été un plaisir pour moi. Ciao.